The cranberry harvest is underway in parts of Wisconsin.
Yeah, growers across the state are coming off their best year ever. Fox 11's Eric Peterson has been in the heart of the harvest zone near Wisconsin Rapids to find out if this year's harvest will be even close to last year.
Bogs are busy at the Walker Cranberry Company west of Wisconsin Rapids.
We harvest the cranberries with a machine that actually picks the cranberries off the vine. It's still done in water because the cranberries will float a little bit. They're hollow inside, so they float like a bobber.
Ryan Walker and his sons grow 75 acres of fresh cranberries.
They're deposited into a boat that the machine is pulling beside the harvester.
The berries are escorted to the shore of this 5-acre bog. Each boat is piled with about 800 pounds of fruit.
You have to take a little more care of the crop. It takes a special handling of the fruit to do it.
Wisconsin leads the nation in cranberry production. Here are the facts. Last year was a record harvest with nearly 6 million barrels produced. This year's harvest is expected to be about 5.3 million. That's down about 9%, but still above average.
What it means is a depressed price for the grower, law of supply and demand. So there's a few too many cranberries out there.
Right now, about 3 out of every 10 cranberries produced in Wisconsin heads overseas, mainly to the European markets. But now, over the last several years, there's a push to expand exports to the Far East. That includes China, Australia, and even Russia. Walker says it will be a challenge.
It's worldwide in the idea of selling the fruit, but the consumer hasn't necessarily bought onto it worldwide.
The fruit is trucked to the processing plant to be sorted, sifted, and dried at a speed of 10,000 berries per hour. Walker expects to process about 20,000 barrels in the coming weeks. It's about 2 million pounds. In the town of CRANMOOR, Eric Peterson, Fox 11 News.
So what do people do with fresh cranberries? Well, Walker says because they only last fresh a couple of months, they're used mainly during the Thanksgiving and Christmas seasons. And by the way, Wisconsin produces more than half of the world's cranberries. If you want to see more of the cranberry harvest, we have a photo gallery from Eric on fox11online.com.